Everybody, it's Dave here with a weekly bulletin that I'm going to be doing every Saturday for all those people who might be thinking of visiting the wonderful city of London. And it's going to be no more than 10 minutes, and it's going to be full of tips and tricks. And at the end of this video, I'm going to always end with a special money saving tip. So please hang on for that. So let's see what's coming up. It's today is Saturday, January the 24th. So let's see what's coming up in London for anybody who's in London at the moment, what they might want to be doing next week. So it is January, and there's going to be a frost fair. Traditionally, up until maybe about 150 years ago, the Thames would freeze over, and they would then go onto the Thames, onto the frozen waters, and they would have frost fairs. Well, it doesn't freeze over anymore, but there's still going to be a frost fair, and that's going to be at Bankside, just by the river in London, and that's going to be next Saturday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and there's going to be entertainment, shopping, and food and drink. And I'll put the link to that down below if you want to get more information around that. And the other big thing that's going on this week is Canary Wharf, which is the big financial centre in London. It used to be part of the docks. But now it's all big office blocks. They're having a spectacular light installation. So there's 16 spectacular light installations from acclaimed artists around the world, and that's absolutely free if you want to go to it. And that's running until next Saturday. So it's running now until next Saturday from 5 o'clock in the evening till 10 o'clock in the evening. And I'll put a link down below for that if you want some more information. Thank you. Another thing you might want to so thinking of planning ahead, because there's lots of things, and hopefully you're coming to visit as well in the summer, when it's lovely and hopefully warm, and it doesn't rain that much in London, promise. So some things you might want to be booking now, because you won't be able to book them then later on, because the tickets will all be gone, I'm afraid. So the first one is if you're into horticulture. The Chelsea Flower Show is going to take place from the 19th to the 23rd of May. This year, and it's probably renowned as the best flower show in the whole of the world, and I'll put the link down below if you want to go and book some tickets, but you need to book those tickets soon because they sell very quick. Another thing you might want to book tickets for, in central London we've got lots of lovely parks, and one of the most lovely parks we've got is Regents Park. In fact, London Zoo is in Regents Park, but also in Regents Park they've got an open air theatre. And they have shows every year, and this year's show is Cats the Musical. So if you wanted to see Cats the Musical at the Open Air Theatre while you're in London, that's running between the 25th of July and the 12th of September. And what I would suggest is it's lovely to take a picnic and have that in Regent's Park, and then go and watch the musical afterwards. Alternatively, the Open Air Theatre does food. Apparently it's got the longest bar in London. Which is quite useful, but they do lots of food as well, and lots of food packages. I think the food packages are going to be going on sale in the next few days, and again I'll put a link down below if you want to go and see that. Okay, so the top tip. So okay, I know you've been all waiting for the top tip. So this week's top tip is around a hotel chain called Premier Inn. And I think they're very much a UK chain, and you won't always find them on price comparison sites for hotels. So it's really useful to actually go on to their website, and I'll put the link down below. I suppose there's two reasons I'd recommend them. I've actually stayed in them, and I've always found them to be lovely hotels. But there's two reasons that you might want to particularly book them, as well as them being quite a good price normally. Is that they actually do, if you do the flexible booking, you don't have to pay now, you can pay when you actually stay, and that means that you can be flexible on your booking when you come to London. And the other thing is they do a really good breakfast and dinner package, which includes drinks as well. So you can come along. So have a look at the Premier Inn website, which is down below. Thank you. Okay, so that was really great information there, hopefully for you all. So that we're going to be doing this every Saturday, and if you want to keep yourself updated with important information for people who are travelling to London, then please like and subscribe my site up above. Okay, okie dokie, take care now. It's been really lovely talking to you. Bye bye.